This is Chi Chi, and welcome back. We actually have answers to one of our Eternal Horse Person's questions regarding if one should be washing their tack in the marital asset washing machine. And in fact, we can see my husband's accusation that doing so makes the inside of the machine look like a really bad 1970s porno flick is a fairly accurate assessment. And we can see that based here upon the video evidence, which we'll take a second look at. It is maybe not quite looking into the hairy abyss of hell as he described it, but in fact it does have a bad hairy impact on the washing machine. And so we have the answer to a question that had been plaguing us for centuries. Thank you for tuning in.